What's going on, YouTube?
Yep, it's Sharice and Corey with the Tech Couple.
Yeah, and we've got a box, and we don't know what to title this video because we don't know what's in the box.
Yeah.
JWill shipped us something. He didn't tell us what it was.
And we're about to find out with you guys.
So let's get into it. Let's see. Do the honors, man.
Oh, might need some scissors.
Do I need to rip it?
Yeah.
You got it. Woo! Rip that thing. Is it a white box?
It's a box.
It's a box inside of a bag.
Within a bag. Let's see. Ooh. This is not focusing.
So white.
It's very white.
It is a Manfrotto
wireless speaker.
A Manfrotto V1 wireless speaker.
Ooh. We got stuff. We got stuff.
It looks like it's, yeah, charge time 3 to 5.5 hours. Has wireless. Playback time 24 hours.
Ooh.
Working distance 10 meters.
Okay.
Well, let's quickly get into this thing. And I didn't know what to expect, so I was.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We weren't planning.
We love getting stuff. Period.
There it goes. So,
all right, some info.
Many instructions. A warranty on how to register your product.
All right.
3.5mm cable.
Okay.
Clearly charging. Let's grab those.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, that looks cute.
This looks fancy.
This looks really cute.
Oh, got your auxiliary power, phone call, volume up, volume down.
Bluetooth and
Bluetooth
USB.
And USB. So, yeah.
Awesome.
We will dive into this and get back to you guys with with some information about it. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, JWill, of course. In case you guys missed it, we were actually part of a Share the Love program that JWill did, and this was one of the things that we won for winning it.
So, of course, if you guys want to see more information about the Manfrotto V1 wireless speaker, you know to go down in the comments, let us know.
Yeah.
We'll take care of that. Of course, if you want to, search for the Tech Couple every time a video comes out, I mean, you'd be a loser,
yeah.
But
that's not nice. You can kick it old school if you want to, but you could also just
the better option.
Subscribe.
And the best option
is turn on those notifications. That way you will know when more stuff comes out from us.
Which happens regularly.
Frequently.
So, of course, that pretty lady.
I'm Sharice.
I'm Corey. Together we make the Tech Couple, and we
will catch you guys in the next one.
Later.
Bye.
Cool.
Cool. I gotta go to work.
Go to work.